Hey guys, welcome back to Shib. Although there are concerns about regulation in the cryptocurrency space right now, the Shiba Inu currency continues to improve and grow. All this help and growth is made possible by the community. It's usually hard to see a number like that, but we talked about it in a certificate audit that happened a few days ago. I think it has something to do with the Shiba Inu coin and the decentralized environment movement. In this video, I'm going to go over that again and also look at some of the numbers that accompany your social media posts as they show that the Shiba Inu currency is still one of the best in the game. And if you think this sounds interesting, let's get started. We talk about the latest news about Shiba Inus and the world of Bitcoin in general on our channel. If you are watching one of our films for the first time, we want to give you a warm welcome. You can make sure you don't miss a movie by clicking on the bell. We will say that this station is giving away 5 million Shiba Inu tokens for a chance to participate. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag Shiba Inu on April 30th. We'll find out whose winning Shiba Inu price sticks to what the market as a whole says, which is lower this week. But for the first time in a long time, investors didn't sell as soon as they saw a red candle and instead hung on. Shiba. The reason buyers hold altcoins is to make money, but it also helps keep the altcoin stable. Shiba Inu's price has been trying for almost 2 months to break through the major limit. If the resistance at 1,169 points turns into support, Shiba will move back to 12, which is where most buyers have been waiting for it to rise. This is because investors who bought Shiba Inus between $1,100 and $1,400 will make money once the resistance level mentioned above is reached. More than 250 trillion at current prices, Shiba's wealth is $2 billion. $590 million will start making money because the average price at which it was bought was 1,200 points. Investors are so confident that the economy will improve while they wait for the same that they have held over 48 trillion chips worth about $500 million for over a month. This is evidenced by the number of places where people have been known to keep their supplies for a month to a year. In the 48 hours after April 20, merchants who had been carrying 48 trillion chipas for less than a month sold them to cruzeros. This showed that investors are sure that the Shiba Inu price will rise again soon, despite its 10.4% drop this week. Also, there has been no sudden depreciation of the altcoin in the market as the index is below the middle line at 4.9%. The indicator shows whether or not investors are getting paid. The ratio also gives an idea of when buyers might decide to sell. The 30-day MVRV shows that every time the metric goes above 6%, the altcoin price drops. This also happened on April 19th, and the price of Shiba Inus fell by 10% after that. Guys, I totally understand that. When the price of an asset like the Shiba Inu currency stays the same or goes down instead of up like we all would like to see, it's hard to believe that there is still a lot of support for it. However, there is still a lot of support for it, and it continues to be one of the strongest and most supported currencies in the industry when it comes to social media activity and an active community. This came out 3 days ago, and there was a nice post about the Shiba Inu currency that was said to be a cryptocurrency that has turned into its own decentralized community. Shibaswap is a free marketplace for Shiba Inus. It is a unique place for the community to meet and trade and not just swap Shiba Inu. Shibarium is the second-layer blockchain, metaverse Shiba immortality, AAA graphics game, relations with Welle and John Richmond. Although I have to say I don't like them as much as some of these other projects, they are still projects. The Shiba Inu is full of these types of projects that don't have a single leader and help build community. Now, what does that mean for the Shiba Inu community? Let's take a look at some of the numbers in this audit post and see how they compare to the numbers in some of their other posts. This tweet got 126 comments, 845 retweets, 2,600 likes, and was viewed by over 228,000 people. Both of these things are very important. You may not remember all of these numbers, but let's see how they compare to some of the other things you've written. 13,000 views, 41 likes, 14 retweets, and 7 comments were recorded on this tweet. You also have this one with 19,000 views, 5,000 views, 25 likes, 3 retweets, 16 comments, and 5,000 likes. Except for one. The Shiba Inu coin is about 20 times larger than any of these other coins. We now know that Shiba Inu currency may not be the most popular thing right now. It may not be the best investment because it is not new and does not have the same luster as it did in 2021 when it rose by millions of percent and showed people that they can make millions in just a few months. GPT Code is another project that is receiving a lot of pressure at the moment. The last coin went up a lot and fell a lot, but it is still one of the top 10 most watched. It has garnered 140,000 views in the past 2 days. 2,600 likes, 300 retweets, and 66 comments by CoinMarketCap. It is in the 10th position of show projects. It's also a popular coin now and has a nice sheen to it. It does not seem that this new project can reach the same level of success as the Shiba Inu coin. She changes all the time. Its prices are going up now. Not only is it used as a cryptocurrency meme or rally, but it also takes advantage of the fact that GPT chat and AI are very popular right now. But they can't even make half the numbers that the Shiba Inu coin can. You can see a lot of other information about this token, such as how long people have held it or who the so-called holder is. A holder is a person who has held a Shiba Inu coin for between 1 month and 1 year. People who keep buying Shiba Inu coins, how well the Shibarium is doing and how many people are building and making wallets on the Shibarium side that Morsi Jastrow goes from one event to the next. I think promoting the metaverse and trying to get companies to join the metaverse could have, as Jurodic says, a decentralized ecosystem and get away from the bad coin mentality. If we can get rid of the bad way of thinking, I believe the difference in the ecosystem will become better. It's a movement no matter what. If this really takes off, you can make $1 million out of it and turn a few $1,000s into $2 million just like the Shiba Inu coin did. Unless, of course, it's something risky and supported by a large group of people like the Shiba Inu Coin Association. So as we continue to build and grow, I hope Shiba Inu coin keeps the excitement it always had, especially the excitement it had in 2021. I'm interested in what you guys think about it. Use the comments section to tell us what you think. This video has ended. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to sign up for more. This helps me a lot with how YouTube works. Also show as many people as possible in this movie. Let's tell everyone about this. If you are a true fan of cryptocurrency, you will not want to miss any of our information. We'll talk about the latest news affecting the entire neighborhood tomorrow.